Hello, hello, hello. It's Kate Bolt, Inkstampshare independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the UK. I have just got back off my holidays and I've received my pre-order from the brand new Annual Stampin' Up Catalogue. I ordered it before I went away and I've just got a little pre-order because I knew I was going away. I wouldn't have much time to play, but I thought I would show you what I did order, because I'm really excited. How nice to come back from holiday and have a box of goodies waiting for you. Yeah, so just a tiny little order, but I'll show you what I've got because the goodies in this catalogue are fabulous. So this is our brand new Stampin' Up Annual Catalogue, which goes live on the 3rd of May. Is that next week? Possibly. My brain is not back from holiday mode quite just yet, but I'll show you what I did order because it's lovely. So hold on to your hats and I'll show you. Now I ordered something called the Sun Print Suite, and it has this beautiful stamp set called Nature's Prints. How lovely is that? That is gorgeous, and the fonts are really nice. It says, hello there, a heartfelt thank you, best wishes and happy thoughts, and you're on my mind. And then it's got all these lovely ferns, it's got some great texture splatter stamps, a flower. Yeah, it's got this spray, really beautiful stamp set. And then it's got obviously the dies that go along with it. So if you buy them together, that makes a bundle and you save 10% if you do it that way. Let's have a look. And these will be available when the catalogue goes live on May 3rd, which is very soon. Can't believe I've only just got it because we've been away, which means I haven't had time to play. So that'll be my next thing. Oh my goodness, look at these. So this has many more dies than in the stamp set. So obviously this one will cut this one out, and this one will cut this flower out. I imagine this one cuts out this fern, and this one cuts this one out. And you've got lots of extras. So you've got this gorgeous big wreath. How beautiful. I didn't realise that was in there. This spray. So we've got two of those. They look similar. They may be the same. So if you're trying to cut more than one out at a time, you only got to put them through one pass in your die cutting machine if you have two. There's a little one there. In fact, there's 3 of those. That's really handy. I love that. And you can probably layer them up on here, maybe. I haven't worked it out. And then you've got this lovely big label die, which would probably go around those sentiments there. I imagine they all do. How fabulous is that? Oh, I can't wait to play now. So that's the first time I've looked at it. So that's the the Nature's Prints bundle. So the stamp set and the dies. I'll pop it there. In the same suite is an embossing folder, and it's called the Fern 3D embossing folder. And I love the 3D embossing folders because they give such a deep image when you emboss it. Oh, look at that. That's rather cool, isn't it? So watch out, because I'll be, if you want to see it used, because obviously I'll be playing with this over the next week or so. Love it. That's going to be so nice. So that's that. Oh, yes. And then what really drew me to this suite in the beginning was this paper. So this designer series paper is part of the suite as well. So it's got a stamp and die set. It has got an embossing folder, and it's got these beautiful papers. All right, let's go into it. And it's gorgeous. But it was definitely the papers that sold me. Oh, I'm a sucker for pretty pattern papers, especially the blues and the whites. So how gorgeous is that? So let's have a look. We've got this side. If I take them out, you'll be able to see them a bit better. So this side. So they're 12 by 12 papers, and you get 12 of each, double-sided, 6 designs. Oh, look at that. Isn't that stunning? So you've got 2 of those, and then this. Oh, that's interesting. Look at that. A lot of texture on that one, and the different colours. And obviously we've got our brand new ink colours in this collection that will be launched with this catalogue. So we have 5 new colours as well in our colour range. How pretty is that? That's kind of like those, you know, like dandelion clocks. So pretty. Loving this. I can see lots and lots of uses for this one. Oh, that's nice. That's got the grey. That's so pretty, and all the ferns and different images on there. So 2 of those. Oh, look at that. I like the different colour, kind of saturation of the colour blue all over the white. It looks like you've done it yourself. It's beautiful. So 2 of those. I think that's it. We've got to the end. And then I'll turn them over. And then we've got this gorgeous basic grey colour. Actually, that might be the other grey that we have. I'll check. Oh, that's a nice one. This is the B side. What's the name of this grey? Oh, look at that. That's got like a script on it. I don't know if you can actually see it in the camera. It's got a very distressed kind of script. That's a fabulous blue stripe. Irregular blue stripe. Love that. So many uses for these papers. Oh, look at that. There's actually, it looks like a sky, but very faintly at the bottom. Don't know if you can see this. Maybe that's my imagination. Oh no, I can see through to the back if I hold it up to the light. It's like a blue sky. That's what it is. How cool is that? Imagine all the things you can make with that. And this is like a bokeh effect on those like leaves or dandelions. So pretty. So that's the B side. Those are stunning, and they are called the Sun Prints 12 by 12 Designer Series paper. Oh, it's Grey Granite, that's the one. Grey Granite, Night of Navy, Pacific Point, and our new ink colour is Starry Sky. Starry Sky. So that's the papers for that suite. So that's the suite that I ordered to be cracking on with for my pre-order. And then I thought I'd order some ribbon to coordinate in the new ink colours. I'll show you the new ink colours that we've got. So I ordered the matte decorative dots in the colours as well. And I think we've got 2, 3, 4. Hang on, that's odd. Let's open them. Can't get into these. Come on out, come. All right, oh, there we go. It was just under the flap. So there we go. Oh, hang on, something's happened to my camera. I can't see quite what's happening. Sorry about this. Oh, you can probably see that, but I can't. I do apologise, I'm having an issue. Little technical issue. There we go. Ooh, don't know what happened there. So sorry. Right, okay. So these are the 2022 to 2024 in colour matte decorative dots. Aren't they beautiful? They show our new in colours off really well, actually. And I also have the ink pads, so obviously had to get the ink pads of the new in colours. So the top one is Sweet Sorbet, and then we have Parakeet Party, which is this colour. Similar to that old lemon lime twist we had a few years ago, but lighter, slightly different green, not quite so acidic, very pretty. Then we have Tahitian Tide, which is this gorgeous colour. This is a bit of me, that one, I really love it. And then we have Starry Sky, which features a lot in those colours that we just looked at in the designer series paper. And then, oh, I'm missing a little one there. It's probably travelled somewhere. Then we have Orchid Oasis, which is a bluey lilac-y colour. And that's our 5th brand new in colour, and they are gorgeous. So I got those because I thought they would coordinate. And then I got the ribbon to coordinate the papers, because you can buy this ribbon when it comes out in all the new in colours. So I just bought the one that would coordinate with what I'd already bought, so I could crack on and make something. And this one, it's called Metallic Woven Ribbon, and I bought it in the Starry Sky colour. Isn't that gorgeous? You can see how it shines. Really, really pretty. So that you got a lot on there as well. 9 meters. 9 meters of that. So that's fabulous. Now the other thing that I got, just to go along with it, was the cardstock in the new in colours. Now, we didn't currently in our pre-order, because of a shipping issue, we didn't have the A4 multi-pack. I could have bought single packs, but I just wanted the multi-pack of A4 just to start off with. They didn't have it available because of shipping, but they did have the 12 by 12. So I thought that was ideal, because I do use a lot of 12 by 12 as well. So I went in for that, and why not? In fact, I got 2 packs of it, because I'm hoping to use this suite in a class this month. So this would do very well. So we have got Let's have a look and make sure we know what colours we've got. This one is the Starry Sky. Let's pull it out and you can see it. This one is the Starry Sky. So you can really see the colour there, can't you? And we have 12 by 12 cardstock. And there's 4 sheets of each by the look. And then we have Orchid Oasis. So that kind of lilac-y blue. 4 of those. And then we have the Sweet Sorbet, which is like a fun, it's like a pinky red colour. And then we have this gorgeous one. It looks a bit like the old Tempting Turquoise, but not quite. It's a bit bluer than that. And this one's called Tahitian Tide. Love it. It's really summery if you're going off on your holidays. And this one is the Parakeet Party. So there we are. I have all the new in colour cardstock in the 12 by 12. And I bought a couple of packs of those to be going on with. And the only other thing I bought on that order was some regular white cardstock, which I needed because we all need lots of that. Lots of envelopes because I needed lots of those. And tons of catalogues, hooray, so that I can send these out to those people who would like one. So if you would like an annual catalogue from me that goes live next week, please let me know. Just send me a little message and I will pop one into the complimentary one in the post for you. Just let me know. If you don't already have a Stampin' Up demonstrator, I would love to send you a catalogue. So do let me know. Yeah, I'll be posting some makes that I make with this new suite over on my blog at inkstampshare.ink, and that'll probably be by the end of the week. So yeah, and I might even use it at Coffee and Cards tomorrow on my Facebook page at 11 o'clock. Actually, I think I'm postponing my Coffee and Cards to a bit later in the day to 12 o'clock tomorrow because I have an appointment in the morning. So 12 o'clock tomorrow, if you fancy joining along live or just watching me with a cup of tea, I would love to have you. Anyway, thanks for watching me and taking a peek at my little tiny pre-order. Take care and I'll see you soon. Happy crafting. Bye.